It's me, Holly. I decided to make a new video because everybody was begging me to, and the song that I'm about to sing is called Skin by Rascal Flatts, and it's a song that's really close to my heart because I lost a friend who had leukemia, and the song is about a girl with leukemia. So, here I go. Sarah Beth is scared to death to hear what the doctor will say. She hasn't been well since the day that she fell, and the bruise, it just won't go away. So she sits and she waits with her mother and dad, and flips through an old magazine, till the nurse with a smile stands at the door and says, "Will you please come with me?" And Sarah Beth is scared to death, 'cause the doctor just told her the news. Between your red cells and white, something's not right, but we're gonna take care of you. And 6 chances in 10, it won't come back again. With therapy, we're gonna try, and it's just been approved, it's the strongest there is. I think that we caught it in time. And Sarah Beth closes her eyes, and she dreams she's dancing around and around without any cares, and her very first love was holding her close, and the soft wind was blowing her hair. Sarah Beth is scared to death as she sits there holding her mom, 'cause it would be a mistake for someone to take a girl with no hair to the prom. For just this moment right there on her pillow was the cruelest of any surprise, and she cried when she gathered it all in her hands that she couldn't deny. And Sarah Beth closes her eyes, and she dreams she's dancing around and around without any cares, and her very first love was holding her close, and the soft wind was blowing her hair. It's 6:45, that boy's at the door, and her daddy, she's him in. And when he takes off his cap, they all start to cry, 'cause this morning where he been. And softly she touches her skin, and they go dancing around